All my peeps, your boy Versatile is back with another video. Yes, it's been a while since we shot like this. That's because we back to them Funko Pops for this video. Some specific ones that will apply to April the 26th, because you guys already know what that is. Endgame, yes. And you guys see this right here? I had this uniquely designed for this specific purpose, and because I really wanted to get one, you know, custom made. So right off the bat, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Shout out to Lamarr Wilson and Amanda Ruth art for this right here. So, oh my goodness, without further ado, let's get into the video. Which one do you want to open first? No. We're gonna open this little fella first here. Tiger Claw, Sphinx. All right. Ooh. Wrong information. All right, let's see here. I know some of you guys been really wanting some Funko Pops. I know it's been some time, but we are about to get into this. Which side should I open here? Let's just go across the top here. All right, so this is the first pop here. And I told you guys I was on a collection hunt for this specific type of pop, or, you know, person more or less. And yes, that is none other than Iron Man from Civil War. This beast mode suit. Woo! Pop number 126 from the Captain America Civil War lineup, which of course you got Cap on the back, Iron Man, Falcon, War Machine, Winter Soldier, Black Panther, Agent 13, Black Widow, Scarlet Witch, Crossbones, and Giant Man. So I got this one right here. You know I don't tear my box apart. You know I keep them well together. And let's see here. Pull them out. Don't you fall out. Don't you fall out. Look at it. Woo! I like this suit. There's some silver details going on. You guys see him here. There is some details. It is a bobblehead. There's silver detail in the body there. Whoa. Look at this fella right here. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yes. I like this suit from Civil War. It was dope. Check him out, getting his bobble on. There's quite a few amount of Iron Man pops out there. Well, I wouldn't say quite a few, but there's about, I want to say maybe 10 to 15. And that's including the Hulkbuster suits. You guys know I already have one. I'll show you my Iron Man shrine, more or less shrine again. My little collection spot I got for him after this video. So hang tight. Go ahead and put this back in this box here. In this box. All right. All right, so now to open this one. Make sure ain't nothing. All right. Boom. No more. Well, no, I do need Tiger Claw. Just not quite yet. So let me go ahead and set Iron Man to the side there. Open this one up. The reason why I saved this one for almost last is because it's in reference to Endgame. And of course, I got that War Machine from Endgame. They have two War Machines, which is interesting because they have this War Machine in the actual War Machine suit, and then they have War Machine in what we believe to be the Quantum Realm suit. So I didn't get that one, but I did get this one. I like this one because for some reason, this one's even more War Machine to me than the War Machine that was from Civil War. That one has like a doggone, you know, tech or mecha baton type deal going on. This one's got the rocket blasters on his shoulder. So this one definitely seems much more War Machine to me. So without further ado, let's get into this box. I kind of like the little background they got for it. I think it's like the Avengers logo. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, it is like the Avengers logo. You guys can see in there. Boom. The Avengers logo. All right, I need to find. All right, watch out. Uh-oh. And without further ado, let's get into this War Machine here. Woo! Boom. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So, boom. Check him out. Looking all dope. Ready for action. I'm definitely interested to see what he does in Endgame. Woo! This 3-hour movie and we don't know nothing. These pops only gives us some hints, and who knows, maybe these pops are fabricated too to throw us off. You know, let's hit them with the stance. Thank goodness they're all balanced, so they don't need their own platforms. You know, they can stand on their own. My which one? Not Proxima Midnight. Her Corvus Glaive. He doesn't like to stand by himself. He likes to fall over a lot. So I do wish they either gave him a stand or just gave him like proper feet to stand on, because his cape doesn't hold him up and his feet seem like they don't like to hold him up either. It's interesting. Or it could just be where I have him at. He just likes to just tip back all the time. I thought it was a level spot. I finally got an unmasked Tony Stark. And you know what's crazy? I was really looking for the Iron Man suit from Avengers Endgame. It is very hard to find. It's actually a box lunch exclusive. I believe the number is 467. I could not find that sucker on Amazon for nothing. I did find him somewhere else, and for a pretty good price. It's not like he's expensive or nothing, but I did find him elsewhere. So I will be most definitely getting that suit in the very near future. But yeah, I have to order it basically differently because it's not like I could just get it from Amazon. So that kind of hurt my feelings, because that I really wanted that Iron Man pop. But I'll take an unmasked Tony for sure. So now I'm running out of space for, I can toss that. Boom. Come here, come on, come on. There we go. Hey, and let's take him out just looking like Duty. Duty. Now if we look at Tony, you look at him, I don't think my hand's blocking it. If you look at his hands, he really looking off to the side too. If you look at his wrist, he has like some glowing like indicator bracelet on. So it might have something to play or something to do with them possibly jumping through the quantum realm in, Avengers Endgame. So I'm definitely ready and excited for him. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm ready. So let him get his stance in as he's looking elsewhere. Come on, man, look up. No, don't you shake your head at me. All right, so he's ready for duty. Uh-oh, he kind of a little top heavy. All right, so let me go ahead and put this in the box. I know we all ready for it. I know I'm ready for it. Woo, guys. Oh man, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, so that's that. And now, for our featured presentation is this beautiful masterpiece here. I haven't got to see it in person. I just saw some mock-ups. So, I've been trying to not look at it until this unboxing video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this real quick. And hopefully I don't tear nothing. All right, we're gonna take our time with this. Trust me when I say I'm excited, but I have to be cautious here. Chicka boom, chicka boom. Guys, oh my goodness, I haven't seen it yet. I'm trying not to look at it yet. I don't know why I put her away. Oh my goodness, guys, I still haven't seen it yet. I'll let you guys get a glimpse of it. Y'all see that? I still don't know what it looked like yet. Oh, you guys didn't see it either. She did a very good job of packaging this, so thank you, Amanda. Best believe I'm gonna wanna, I'm gonna come back for some more business for sure. My goodness, whew. She had this boy packaged up. Which way is it here? All right. Ow. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't peek it. I'm not gonna peek. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna peek it. I can kind of see through this lighting here. I'm not looking at my viewfinder. Oh my. I see it's upside down. I can see through here. Oh my. Y'all see that? Y'all see this? Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Y'all, yeah. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead, move on out the way here real quick. Do y'all see this here? Oh my goodness gracious. This is, oh, I'm gonna give you guys a good view of this painting here and some B-roll. Do y'all see this here? This is Iron Man in his nanotech suit from Infinity War. So back when I had this actually done up, I didn't get the official look at the Endgame suit. Otherwise, best believe I probably would have had that one drawn. But I was so attracted to this nanotech suit, I had to get this one to start off my painting collection of some my favorite Iron Man suits. And this one cuts the cake right here. Amanda, you did your thing on it. You guys see like the blue accents? Oh, look at the blue accents in the suit. Oh my goodness gracious. The attention to detail in the shoulders. Oh my, in the mask. Oh my goodness. Yo, shout out to Lamarr Wilson for really putting her, for exposing her, you know, and her ability to do art. And Amanda for being such a great artist. I'm such a big Iron Man guy because I've always loved tech. I know one thing my mom said was like when I was like 2 years old, I used to operate the VCR way back in the day. Yes, I was born in the 90s. I used to operate the VCR at the age of 2 years old. And of course, I don't remember that, but she said I used to be up in the morning popping in VHSs and whatnot. So I've always been interested in tech and Iron Man specifically. It's just something about being able to just like tech, know tech, try to operate it. But then more so than that, like, especially with Iron Man and his beginnings, like having to make something out of nothing is very inspiring and very close to, you know, life, I guess you could say. A lot of times you gotta make something out of nothing. Is how you do it. And when you reflect back and look at it, like, you know, feeling proud of yourself more or less that you was able to, you know, get through, you know, adversities, whether they were big or small. And so like Tony Stark right here, definitely, you know, something I appreciated from Tony. So that's my reasoning behind enjoying and liking Iron Man so much. He's just a, you know, good dude overall. You know, I mean, you know, of course he's cocky or whatever, but a good dude overall. And so I definitely appreciate Iron Man. And I appreciate Amanda being able to do such a good job with this painting. Wow. So this is Infinity War base, but it still goes in line with, you know, my pops that I got for Endgame and Iron Man pops in general to go along with my collections. And to just, you know, being able to showcase and show you guys some things I've been able to add and collect and kind of make part of my life more or less. But that is it for this video. Hope you guys appreciate it and enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys like that painting. You know, I definitely have her information down in the comment section, not comment section, the description box as to her website. And you guys, you know, of course, you know, reach out to her, see if you guys can get some paintings drawn and everything. So yeah, definitely, you know, definitely let her know in the comments too. I told her I was making a video about this painting, so let her know what you guys think about that painting as well. But I definitely appreciate it, and I'm psyched to figure out where I want to put this thing. But your boy Versatile is signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.